Welcome everyone to our versatile channel where we explore powerful ways to achieve financial freedom online. This is your hub for mastering the art of affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media, and beyond. We're here to equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to break free from the 9-to-5 grind. If you're new here, consider joining our community and subscribing for weekly tips, tutorials, and strategies. Today, we dive deep into the profitable venture of building and selling websites. Stay tuned to learn more. You might wonder, what exactly is website flipping? Well, it's a lot like real estate flipping, but online. Website flipping is the process of acquiring a website, making improvements, and then selling it for a profit, much like you would with a property in the real estate market. The allure of this business model is the potential for significant returns. However, it requires a good deal of digital savvy and a keen eye for potential. When you purchase a website, you're essentially buying a digital property. The value lies in the site's content, traffic, and revenue potential. The goal is to enhance these aspects, increasing the site's overall worth. Improvements can be anything from revamping the site design, optimizing content for SEO, to implementing effective monetization strategies. Once the website's value has increased, it's then sold to the highest bidder. It's an exciting venture that can be highly profitable if done right. Building a website from scratch might sound daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. The first step is finding your niche. This is the specific area or topic your website will focus on. It's crucial to choose a niche you're passionate about, but also one that has potential for profit. Do some research, find out what's trending, and think about what you can bring to the table. Once you have your niche, it's time to buy a domain name. This is your website's address on the internet, like your very own .com or .net. You'll want something that's easy to remember and relates to your niche. There are plenty of providers out there, just make sure to choose one that fits your budget and needs. Next up is setting up your hosting. This is essentially renting a space on the internet where your website will live. There are different types of hosting, including shared, VPS, and dedicated. Your choice will depend on your website's needs, such as the amount of traffic you expect and your technical capabilities. Now we get to the fun part, designing your website. This is where you get to flex your creative muscles and bring your vision to life. There are many website builders out there that offer easy-to-use drag and drop interfaces, so you don't need to be a tech wizard to create a beautiful website. Lastly, it's time to create content. This is the heart and soul of your website. Your content should be valuable, engaging, and relevant to your niche. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, make sure it's something that your audience will love and want to share. And voila, you have a website ready to be optimized and monetized. It may seem like a lot, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. So go ahead, take that step, and start building your own corner of the internet. Speaking of creating content, have you heard of Copymatic? It's a remarkable tool that has revolutionized the way we create content. It's not just about putting words together, it's about creating engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And that's where Copymatic shines. With Copymatic, you're not just saving time, you're enhancing your content's quality, making it more appealing and valuable to your audience. It uses advanced AI technology to generate content that's not only grammatically correct but also compelling, persuasive, and tailored to your website's specific needs. Imagine the hours you could save, the resources you could allocate elsewhere in your website building process. Think about the quality of content you could consistently produce without losing sleep over writer's block or editing nightmares. Copymatic is the tool that can give you that edge, that can truly elevate your website creation process. For those interested, the link to Copymatic is available in the video description below. It's a tool that can truly elevate your website creation process. Now that you have a website and quality content, it's time to monetize and optimize. When it comes to monetizing your website, there are numerous strategies you can employ. Affiliate marketing is one such strategy. This involves promoting a company's products or services on your website. When a visitor clicks the affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a powerful way to generate passive income. Another monetization strategy is displaying ads on your site. Websites with high traffic can earn substantial revenue from ad impressions and clicks. You can also host sponsored posts. Businesses are often willing to pay for a spot on popular websites to showcase their offerings. Selling your own products or services directly from your site is another excellent way to monetize. You could sell anything from ebooks to online courses or even physical products. The key is to offer something that your audience finds valuable. While monetizing is crucial, it's equally important to optimize your website. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a game changer. It helps your website rank higher in search engine results, making it more visible to potential visitors. Higher visibility leads to increased traffic, and more traffic means more opportunities to monetize. Optimization isn't just about SEO though. It also involves improving the user experience on your site. This can be achieved by ensuring your website loads quickly, is easy to navigate, and is mobile-friendly. A well-designed, user-friendly website will keep visitors coming back. Lastly, don't forget about analytics. Tools like Google Analytics can provide invaluable insights into your website's performance. You can see which pages are most popular, where your traffic is coming from, and how visitors are interacting with your site. This information can guide your optimization efforts, helping you to focus on what's working and improve areas that are underperforming. Remember, a well-optimized, monetized site is more attractive to buyers. So take these steps seriously. Monetization and optimization are not just about making money, but also about building a website that's valuable to both your audience and potential buyers. Your efforts in these areas will not only boost your income, but also increase the overall value of your website when it's time to sell. Your site is now a valuable digital asset, and it's time to sell. So, how do we go about selling a website? Well, the process is quite straightforward, but it does require careful planning and execution. The first step is determining the value of your site. There are several factors that contribute to the worth of your website. This includes your site's traffic, revenue, growth potential, and the unique assets it possesses. Remember, your website is not just a domain name, it's a business, and like any business, its value is determined by its potential to generate income. Once you've determined the value of your site, the next step is to find a buyer. Now, this might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, there are several platforms that can help. Websites like Flippa, Empire Flippers, and FE International are popular platforms where you can list your site for sale. These platforms connect you with a global audience of potential buyers who are interested in purchasing digital assets. However, it's not just about listing your site and waiting for the offers to roll in. You need to market your site effectively. This means providing all the necessary details about your site, such as its revenue, traffic stats, and the unique value it offers. Good marketing can make the difference between a quick sale and a site that lingers on the market. The final step in selling your website is transferring ownership. This process varies depending on the platform you use to sell your site. However, it generally involves transferring the domain name, hosting, and any associated accounts to the new owner. Be sure to provide the buyer with all the necessary information they need to successfully operate the site. Selling your website can be a rewarding process, especially when you see the fruits of your labor pay off. But remember, the key to a successful sale is preparation, effective marketing, and transparency. And there you have it, the process of website flipping from start to finish. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the main points we've covered today. We've dived into the fascinating world of website flipping, a lucrative venture where you build, optimize, and sell websites for profit. We started by understanding what website flipping is all about. It's essentially the digital equivalent of real estate investing, but instead of houses, we're dealing with websites. Next, we explored the process of building a website, from choosing a niche, selecting a domain, and creating compelling content, to designing an attractive and user-friendly interface. But remember, building a website is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating value for your audience. And that's where our next point comes in. We discussed the importance of monetizing and optimizing your website. Monetization methods such as affiliate marketing, ads, and sponsored content can turn your site into a money-making machine. And optimization, through SEO and user experience improvements, can drive more traffic and increase your site's value. Then we delved into the art of selling your website. We learned about the importance of timing, choosing the right marketplace, and how to negotiate a profitable deal. And let's not forget about Copymatic, the tool that can help streamline your content creation process, making your website building journey smoother and more efficient. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, with the right knowledge and tools, you too can start building and selling websites for profit. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing.